Oh my god. I'm making a mess. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a review on the Conceal and Define setting powder from Makeup Revolution. I chose the shade Light Lavender because it said on the website that it's supposed to color correct a little bit when you apply it. So let's get started. I'm first going to share with you guys a few little things that I saw on the website and the price and how it looks like and that kind of stuff. So this is the packaging where the powder comes in. It does look a little bit messy because I just used it, but this is how the packaging looks like. And on the packaging, it says that it's talc-free, no flashback, and water resistant. Also says on the website that it's vegan and cruelty free. So if you guys are interested to see how this powder works, please keep watching. So I already prepped my face and I put some foundation on. I used the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in the number 230. So right now I'm gonna do concealers and then put the powder under the eyes and all over the face. So for concealers, I'm using two concealers to see how the powder looks like with high-end concealers like the Tarte Shape Tape, and how the powder looks like with their own concealers, which are the Conceal and Define concealers. So for the Conceal and Define concealers, I'm using the number C8, and for the Tarte Shape Tape concealers, I'm using the shade Medium Sand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another drugstore concealer and use that one because the shade difference is just too huge. It just looks very different. So I'm just going to take another concealer and apply it at the other side. So now I'm going to apply the Makeup Revolution powder. To be honest, the powder really just looks like white instead of light lavender. I don't see a lavender or purple color in it. As you can see, it just looks really white. I'm gonna put it under the eyes to bake a little bit and then all over the face to set the foundation. And then we're gonna go over with bronzer and blush to see how it all blends. I can tell right away I don't really like taking the product out of the packaging. Like, it looks a little bit messy. I don't know if you can see it. So far I'm not really that enthusiastic about the packaging. It's pretty hard to get the product out without it spilling everywhere. If I want to take it out, I have to shake it. Normally I would just put it on the cap, which I cannot do now because the cap is attached to it. So that's not a possibility. And other than that, I don't know how you can get the product out without spilling it. Like if you look at, like, I have powder everywhere, but maybe there is like a way of getting this product out easier and I just don't know it. So I did my under eyes and now I'm gonna set my foundation and then I'll do my eyebrows off camera and be back. I found an easier way to get the product out if you just shake it beforehand. Oh Jesus, never mind. I thought if you shake it beforehand. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. So now I've got my brows on and we're gonna remove the powder from under my eyes. So far I like the texture of my face where I've set my foundation. It doesn't look too cakey or anything like that. So this is how the face looks like with the powder blended in. I will zoom you guys in so you can see how it looks like from up close. But as you can see for the face, I feel like it looks really pretty when you don't use a lot. So for under the eyes, you can see my wrinkles a little bit, which is not that weird because I usually can see them no matter which powder I use. So now I'm gonna apply bronzer and blush to see how it all blends together. And then we're gonna wait and see how long it takes for the face to get oily. Nobody likes a shiny face unless, of course, that's what you're going for. For bronzer, I'm using the Morphe bronzer from Morphe in Megastar. And for blush, the MAC Peaches blush. So this is the final makeup look. I actually really do like the powder. I feel like it is a tiny bit shiny because if you look at my eyes here, you can see a little bit of a shine, which I don't really mind. So far the powder looks great for under the eyes. It also set my foundation pretty good. What I don't like at all is the mess that you get when working with this product. I have powder everywhere. Another thing I don't like is that the powder comes from the back out. Like already when I talked about it, it came on my hand. It is an inexpensive product. It is very affordable and I think for the price it works amazing. But like, if you're gonna use this powder, I would highly recommend just kind of finding a way of how to use it without it spilling everywhere. I'm gonna have to do that as well because I like it. I'm probably gonna use it more often. So I'm gonna get back to you guys to show you how the product looks like in a few hours. Hey guys, so I've had the powder on for at least a little bit more than 2 hours, and to be honest, so far I still like it. It is starting to get a little bit oily around my nose, but it doesn't matter what I use, that always tends to happen, so I don't really mind that badly. And under my eyes, it's also looking pretty good as well for the affordable side as it is for the high-end side. I will zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see what I am talking about, but the under eyes are still looking pretty good. I do have some fine lines so you can see those, but that just always happens as it does with my nose. Some things you just can't change, and it just happens with a lot of products. So overall, I think this is a really good product. I like the way it looks and the way it blended everything, and it does have staying power, and the oil control is decent. And another thing is that it is shiny. I did like that, but if you don't, then keep that in mind before you buy the product. It does look a little bit shiny, but it has a beautiful brightening effect. But yeah guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.